Cats are independent creatures, and their love is often subtle. Unlike dogs, they don't always show affection in obvious ways. However, if you feel like your cat is actively avoiding you or acting distant, it may be a sign that they don't feel comfortable around you. One of the biggest signs that your cat doesn't love you is avoidance. If your cat consistently runs away when you enter the room, hides under furniture, or refuses to be near you, it's a clear indication that they are not comfortable around you. Cats that love their owners will usually follow them around, or at least tolerate their presence. Another red flag is when your cat never initiates contact. Cats that feel bonded with their humans will often rub against them, sit on their lap, or at least seek attention in small ways. If your cat avoids all physical contact, it could mean they don't trust you or don't enjoy your company. Aggressive behavior is another strong indicator that your cat is not fond of you. If your cat hisses, growls, scratches, or bites you regularly, they may feel threatened or irritated by your presence. While some cats playfully swat at their owners, constant aggressive reactions suggest deeper issues. Your cat might be scared, stressed, or simply not happy with how you interact with them. Pay attention to their body language. Flattened ears, an arched back, or a twitching tail can signal that your cat feels uncomfortable around you. A lack of purring or slow blinking can also suggest that your cat does not have a strong bond with you. Cats purr when they feel safe and content, often when they are being petted by someone they trust. Similarly, slow blinking is a sign of affection and relaxation in cats. If your cat never purrs around you and avoids eye contact or slow blinking, it might mean they don't associate you with comfort and security. Refusing to play or engage with you is another sign that your cat doesn't enjoy your company. Cats that love their owners will often bring them toys, chase after string, or show excitement when their favorite person is around. If your cat shows no interest in playing with you or ignores your attempts to engage them, they might not feel connected to you. Cat ball toy launcher gun provides fun, interactive play that keeps indoor cats active and mentally stimulated. With 30 soft plush balls and easy-to-use design, it's perfect for reducing boredom and encouraging healthy exercise. Additionally, cats that don't love their owners might refuse to eat when they are nearby. While some cats are just picky eaters, a cat that only eats when you leave the room may feel anxious or uneasy in your presence. Similarly, if your cat never sleeps near you or in the same room, it suggests that they don't feel safe around you. If you notice multiple signs that your cat doesn't love you, don't worry. Trust and affection take time. Try bonding through gentle interactions, treats, and respecting their space. With patience and care, you can build a loving relationship with your feline companion.